Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make hotate no takikomigohan. Hotate is scallops and takikomigohan is Japanese version of paella. So I'm cooking some rice, scallops, and soy sauce broth in one pot. Very easy to make. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this hotate no takikomigohan. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 cups of Japanese rice, 200 grams of scallops, some ginger, 2 tablespoons each of sake and mirin, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of hondashi, instant Japanese soup stock, 1 teaspoon of salt, and some green onion to garnish. In Japan, this kind of scallop is widely available. It's steamed already and it comes with this ribbon. But you can use any scallop you can get, fresh or cooked, with or without the ribbon. Rice needs to be soaked in the broth for half an hour before you start to cook it. So let's do that first. Add some water. Stir gently. Drain. And just repeat this 3 or 4 times. Let's put the rice in the pot. It's 2 cups of rice. So I'm adding 2 cups of water, including all these liquid seasonings. So sake, mirin, soy sauce into the measuring cup, and fill it up to 2 cups with some water. Add it to the pot. Salt and hondashi. Give it a stir. Cover with the lid and leave for half an hour. By doing this, the rice soaks up the broth to the core, so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. In the meantime, let's finish all the cutting. So ginger, it's just your amount. And I'm going to use it with the skin on, so I washed it well. Let's make it into thin strips. Into thin slices first. Then into thin strips. And green onion. Again, that's your amount. Cut the bottom off. Cut them into half. Put them together. Cut them into half. Put them together. This is just to save your time. Then thin slices. to garnish after the rice is cooked. So let's put it in a small bowl and set aside. It's been soaked for half an hour, so it's time to cook. Ginger, and scallops. Put the lid back on and just bring it to boil over medium-high heat. Once it comes to boil, turn the heat to low as you can go and let it simmer for 12 minutes. Simmer for 12 minutes. Kill the heat and let it steam for 10 minutes. No sneak peeking. Steam for 10 minutes. So let's add the green onion. Mix and fluff. Serve in the rice bowl. And ホタテの炊き込みご飯 is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Iただきます。The rice soaked up all the flavor and umami of the scallops. And the amount of ginger I put was just right. So good! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. ホタテの炊き込みご飯 both here. Anything you like for the main, but I think I want to have oden. Oden is a soupy dish, so let's pass the soup here. Broccoli salad for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!